Hi guys, before I start the role play, I just want to say thank you for clicking. I'm new. I hope you enjoyed this video. So, let's get on to the video. What time is it? I wake up so early. Good morning, Rose. I always wake up so early. That's weird though. Oh, you're running out of food. Let's see. I'm just gonna see if I had a lot of things to do. Okay. Wait. I'm just gonna put you okay. Right back there, Care Bear. Alright. I think I don't have any today. But I'll just brush my teeth downstairs, find a golden apple, my favorite. I call it caramel though. I'm weird. Anyway, I'm just gonna brush my teeth and I'm just gonna brush my teeth. I think I'm not gonna take a shower today. Maybe later. Because yeah. Wait, let me just wash this. Yeah, perfect. Let's go. I'm just gonna change. Ooh, what should I wear today? Oh, I gotta go outside. Still in my jammies. Maybe I could wear something else. I have never worn this blue one. I would wear this. Oh no, I would wear this. There we go. Maybe I'll just go to work today. Work. Well, I think I should head down to get breakfast. Yeah, I'm just gonna head down. Oh, I cannot close that door. Okay, sorry about that. Let me just swear. Yeah, here. Oh, sorry. That's over here. Oh, who put this there? That's weird. Let me take it off. Anyway, I'm just gonna seek some food. I would go beetroot, but maybe not today. I'm just gonna go with apple. Oh, I gotta cook this pork chop. Oh, I should buy it to the store. It's been a long time since I bought anything from the store. This is just a new town anyway, so none of the things really get onto, but well, I like this place. I don't know about my mother, why she want me to stay here. There's still no school yet, but I heard the rumors that there will be a school over there and some sort of stuff. Before I get bored, okay, let's just wait for this one. Alright, almost there. Perfect. Pour pork chop. Let me heat it up a little bit, just a little. So fry it. There we go. Alright, still burning. Alright, let's get up to the top so I could do my work, do all that, do all those things. And then we go to the mall. Yeah, I'll probably go to the mall and buy some bag. Yeah. Would you like some pork chop? I can give you pork chop right now. Wait a minute. Anyways, I'm just gonna. Oh, wait. Alright, let me just figure. Look. You like that, don't you? Okay, I'm just gonna put like. Oh, why can't I keep just stop jumping? Set a time today so it will never go out. Anyways, I'm just gonna eat my golden apple. Okay, maybe I should book some. I just. Alright, I just broke my screen, but still okay. Alright. My mother gonna chat me still. Anyways, I think I should. Oh, yeah, I should stop doing that. Hello, Roast. But I'm just checking on my mom if she cares. Sure. I'm just gonna check my. Ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring. Okay, what's that? I think it's my laptop. Ring, 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 ring. Oh, wait. Ring, 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 ring. I think it's my phone. I'm gonna. Yeah, it's my phone. Hello, darling. Oh, hi, ma'am. Hi, mom. Like, why did you call me? Do you like your new place, darling? Sure, I can say, I guess, but there's just, this is like, no one lives here. I know, darling, but that will be a beautiful town for you, darling. They're gonna build a school there, darling. Oh, sure, like, okay. I think I'm also in here. So, did Bianca and Flash stay there, aka Bricks? Yeah, they were here last time, but they actually left. Oh, darling, so you're alone. No, they're gonna come back. They're just, you know, have time for themselves because Bianca visit her mom. Oh, darling. Oh, what about Flash, aka me, aka Brex? Oh, Flash. The same. Oh, Flash actually stay with his friend. Oh, darling. But they will come back tomorrow. Or maybe. Oh. Okay, darling. Then enjoy your stay. Maybe tomorrow they will build a school. Yeah, hope so. Well, goodbye, Mom. Bye, darling. Make sure you sleep tight. What? Okay, bye. Bye, darling. Okay, that's weird. Whatever, I'm just gonna finish this. Oh, maybe we can watch this. Like, I could watch something from the TV. Okay, let's do that. Go. Okay. Finish my apple already. Ring, 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 ring. Oh, what? Hello, Dad. Oh, darling, I heard your mama called you a minute ago. Yes, she did. Did you get your wishing star, darling? Yes, I get my wishing star, and it's so beautiful. But I know you don't have any mailbox, so I just drop it up. But you're not the one who dropped it here. Someone else. Yes, darling. I'm so sorry, honey, but yeah, that's how it is. I'm just gonna tell someone to build you a a mailbox. Yeah, sure. Dad. Okay. Oh. What happened, what happened, honey? Oh, it's raining. Oh, honey. Well, anyway, honey. I am so tired from work. I'm gonna leave you with a chow. Huh? Well, bye, Dad. Bye, honey. Why they're weird? Well, anyway, I'm gonna wish for my wishing star. there. This thing wouldn't stop. I'm sorry, Rose. I cannot like put you somewhere. I'm sorry. Eat. Oh, sorry. Now get down. Oh, let me get you a leash. Leash. There, just. Oh no, Hey. Stop that. Stop doing that. Hey, come back. I'm sorry. There, I'm gonna feed you so your help will be back. Well, regen there, but yeah. I have actually nothing to do but just to sit in my computer. Maybe I can book her somewhere. Maybe I'll just call like to Teresa, like my friend. Let me just call her. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Hello. Oh, hello Teresa. Oh, how I missed you. Hello, Sam. Actually, I really miss you too, but I'm actually really busy. I heard you move. Yes, I moved. Like where? Wait. Actually, I forgot. Oh, I think that's wait. Let me think about it. Wait a minute. Okay, sure. Oh, it's Ireland. Ireland? Yeah, it's Ireland. Ah, never heard of that. Yeah, because it's a new town. Oh, well, enjoy though. Yeah, sure. Enjoy your stay. Bye. Bye, Therese. Bye. Anyways, like Therese is like very busy these days, but I'll get there some point. Well, it's been a good chow, but I'm really tired. It's already morning. So hello guys. I'm sorry if the video is just short, but I just need some time because I'm actually doing my assignment. I'm really sorry. It's actually nighttime in here in the Philippines. It's actually 11:13 p.m. I really need to get some sleep, but I will actually do my assignment before I go to sleep. Please like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching my video. Hope you enjoy. Bye!